Are you seeing the BattleNet 64 Library DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. While preparing the manual steps for BattleNet 64 Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the BattleNet 64 Library, the 64-bit primary execution module for the Blizzard Battle.net launcher. It manages user authentication, background patching, and game entitlement checks. If missing, the Blizzard client will report module could not be initialized, preventing the launching of games like Call of Duty or Overwatch. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The presence of the BattleNet 64 Library DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the BattleNet 64 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Remember that manual replacement of BattleNet 64 Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If registry clutter or BattleNet 64 library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for BattleNet 64 library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.